Warriors, welcome. My friends, there's a lot of people out there that are very interested in meditation, but don't necessarily know what they're getting into or why they're getting into it. Meditation is for clarity purposes, okay? When you meditate with some kind of an intention, you are gaining clarity around what it is you want to know more of. And so meditation, yes, calms the nerve, which is a very attractive thing for anxiety sufferers. Anxiety sufferers want nothing more than to feel like they're calmer, right? And meditation can give you that. Meditation many times doesn't get to the root cause of your anxiety, but rather meditation reveals the root causes of your anxiety. This is why this sort of mindset is very, very important as you embark on your meditation journey. Now, there are different ways to meditate, okay? Let's get into some of the simplest ones because I'm a big believer in simplicity. I believe that when meditation came from the East to the West, they're just making it way too complicated and sophisticated, when in fact the best forms of meditation are normally the simplest ones, okay? So, one way you can meditate is simply focusing on 4 seconds inhale through your nose and 4 seconds exhaling through your nose again. So 4 seconds in, 4 seconds out. Now, you want to repeat this rhythm consistently until you feel like you no longer need to. Until you feel like it has been automated, okay? And this is very, very simple, and everybody's going, well, you know, is it going to work for me? Is it actually beneficial? It's very, very beneficial because with anxiety, what tends to happen is we feel led towards focusing on 100 different things at once, right? And calming the nerves and gaining clarity over something demands that we focus on one thing. The better we get at focusing on one thing, the less anxiety we're going to have. So that's one way to go about meditation. Another one is try to find 2 words and repeat them as a mantra every time you inhale and exhale. For example, I'm just going to pick one word, okay? And I'm going to pick the word calmness, okay? So I would go calmness. Calmness. If there's something that's bothering you, you can use the words let go. Let go. Now, you don't want to be saying these out loud. You want to say them in your mind, mentally, because you want to focus more so on the cooperation between the breath and the mantra. Okay, so let go. With your eyes closed, continuing that rhythm for as long as you want to. You know, when I started to get into meditation, it was very difficult for me to do 10, 15, 20 minutes of meditation. So what I did was I simplified it. I did 1 minute 3 times a day. And a lot of people are saying, well, you're not going to benefit much from that, right? But the truth is that, oh my goodness, I benefited so much from doing 1 minute meditation in the morning, once in the afternoon, and once in the evening, because I was no longer going through this robotic state of consciousness anymore. I was finally, after that meditation, realizing things I would never realize before. Certain pattern recognitions that led me towards anxiety. So if you're new to meditation, you may want to take on that approach, okay? Finally, my favorite, actually, number 1, favorite type of meditation would be color breathing meditation, where, and everybody's got a different color, a different association to their colors. For me, green is like that physical healing color. Blue is more so this relaxation color, okay? And blacks or reds have a lot to do with trauma, okay? If you ask a child to draw some past experience that they didn't like experiencing, more often than not, they're gonna grab blacks and reds in terms of colors, and they'll paint those pictures. So color breathing meditation goes, breathe in for, again, 4 seconds. Let's say the color green. Move it to a part of your body where you're holding some tension, and breathe out the color black or red or whatever color connects to that nervousness or anxiousness. And you repeat this. Green in, black out. And again, you repeat this for as long as you want. You're going to find that with meditation, you feel like you're starting to lose yourself a little bit, even losing touch with your body. And this can scare a lot of people. But the truth is that you're tapping into a brainwave state known as alpha or theta, which gives you access to the subconscious mind. You are literally telling your inner child that this world is a safe place. The more you give in to that feeling of letting go, right? Letting go of body, letting go of analyzing, letting go of overly focusing on something, okay? So those are 3 very powerful meditations that you can start using today, my friends. But I want to know a bit more about you. Are you just getting into meditation? Are you an expert, a veteran at it? Do you have any types of meditation that work for you? Comment below. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, you are more than anxiety. I love you.